Combining bay leaves with garlic results in a culinary alliance that also doubles as a health-promoting duo. Renowned for their distinct flavors, both ingredients offer more than a mere aromatic treat. Garlic, bursting with allicin, provides powerful antibacterial and antiviral advantages, optimal for boosting immunity. It even serves as a strong promoter of cardiovascular health, aiding in the regulation of cholesterol and blood pressure. Then you have bay leaves, a cornucopia of benefits in a singular leaf. With phytonutrients and essential oils aplenty, these leaves add not only flavor, but also anti-inflammatory properties to the mix. Couple them together and watch how the synergy amplifies both digestive well-being and metabolic efficiency. Bay leaves, being natural diuretics, facilitate the flushing out of toxins, while garlic's robust antimicrobial capabilities keep your gut flora in check. This combination does an exquisite job at combating ailments.